fighting. I don't feel I lose, am I dreaming? Is there more like cause got me feeling like it's all too much, I feel beaten, but I can't give up, I'm still fighting. I don't feel I've lost, am I dreaming? Is there more like us, got me feeling like it's all too much, I feel beaten, but I can't give up.
Waking up, feeling like the thankful one. Count up my ones, lacing up my favorite ones. One of a kind.
What's up, chat? We are going to be with you guys very, very shortly. We just had some little technical difficulties this morning, but we are sorted. We're good to go. We are going to get started very, very soon, guys. All right, just hold in there.
In the concrete jungle with my homies. All get focused, all rage your toast is. But nickname Mr. King and do the most is. I was living down bad in my folks' crib. Now I'm laughing to the bank and the joke is. Did more things than folks did or folks get. We been getting this fly since I'm poor kids. My rich friends and my broke friends coexist. They love the mix and we know what it is.
I'm fighting. I don't feel I lose, am I dreaming? Is there more like us, got me feeling like it's all too much, I feel beaten, but I can't give up, I'm still fighting. I don't feel I've lost, am I dreaming? Is there more like us, got me feeling like it's all too much, I feel beaten, but I can't give up. I can't find it in myself to just walk away. I can't find it in myself to lose everything. Feel everyone's against me, don't want me to be great. Things might look bad, not afraid I look dead in the face. I'm burning out, who's really bad? Choose me now, what's wrong with that? Wish you could see me now, who had my back in bed? You don't know love, yours always will win. I'm fighting. I don't feel I lose, am I dreaming? Is there more like us, got me feeling like it's all too much, I feel beaten, but I can't give up, I'm still fighting. I don't feel I've lost, am I dreaming? Is there more like us, got me feeling like it's all too much, I feel beaten, but I can't give up. Can't give up.
What's up, Chad? We are live, baby. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm sure you guys recognize a little difference here this morning. We've just had to make some changes for the day, Chad. As you can see, we have brought back Kate by high demand. No, guys, Chris just had some meetings, if you guys don't remember. So he was going to be out of office this morning. But we are here to go, guys. So, right, just let us know how the sound is there. If music is good, if you guys can hear us nice and clear. Obviously, had a little bit of technical issues we had to sort out. Trust me, dark water, it wasn't a bubble us, my brother. But we were just sorting out some issues, but we are hundreds. We're good to go now. We've got about 15 minutes, so we literally haven't looked at the charts, haven't done anything. So we're going to go have a quick run through of all of that, and then we can get into this. But all right, guys, this has actually been funny enough, we were saying a week where we weren't expecting a lot of volume. It hasn't been crazy, but the fundamental sides did definitely throw that spanner in the works. I mean, CPI, the complete opposite of what people were expecting. And last night, Big Danny Powell giving us the unicorn we were talking of yesterday. Absolutely putting away the dollar and burying it. So we're going to be flipping a lot of biases now, guys. So already DXY, we can be changing this baby up here. We are going to be going bearish, all thanks to yesterday. So we can hold on to all of this. This is where we are going to be putting the dollar away for good now. So, all right, guys, let's just keep this one in mind. But all right, we're going to have to move our Asia sessions, everything today. So we're going to go through this very, very quickly. Let's just move this down there. So we're going to see what is happening, guys. Let's get into this. Did any of you guys trade FOMC last night, or did you guys just stand on the sidelines like a good little trader and watch? Let us know what you guys did there. I saw some of the stuff and I woke up this morning seeing the moves. Like, it was absolutely insane.
I was gonna say it was quite hectic from what we heard.
Yeah, I mean, look at this, guys. This is all power killing the dollar yesterday, and obviously I think the one everyone knows about is gold making the comeback yesterday. Look at that, guys. That is one massive blue dildo. That thing just took off. So let's just get into this, guys. So obviously DXY, first thing we can talk about, which I always say to you guys, if we go over here to the daily, we got that massive gap down. So again, another confluency we've been using lately on the dollar, which has actually played out quite nicely, is this gap down, showing us that momentum for the rest of the week. So from Monday, you can see we traded there, but Tuesday already we gapped down, having that bearish closure. And yesterday, funny enough, we had that gap again. And then today, gapping down once again. So really showing us how we're going to be taking this thing downtown. Obviously, weekly key level 101,500. That's been untested for quite a while now. I definitely think that is on the money for the dollar. But today, do we get there? I don't know. Let's actually just have a look quickly at fundamentals. Is anything coming out today? So you got Swiss, GBP, the monetary policy. That's actually going to be a decent one. Euro, monetary policy as well, and USD unemployment claims. All right. So might be interesting. I don't think dollar will make a comeback. If anything, I think I might get that push up to go close the gap and then continue downwards. So that's just what I'm going to think of for unemployment claims. But on the 15, guys, let's have a look at. So we are basically have our Asia lows. We are testing Asia highs already. So we're right back up there. Maybe we're ready now. We're going to go up with this gap fill. So go up to about there. We'll be testing those EMAs. Once we can continue lower, take those Asia highs again, we can look for that bearish push further down. Then let's go over to gold, guys. So gold, obviously, this is the big one. We can be turning around again. So let's go, yeah. We're going to go bullish now, guys. So we were bullish, then after CPI, we had that switch. So this has really been a up and down week for us. But we know what we're going to be looking for, yeah. So again, taking out these key levels, massive turnaround. And then today already up to the next key level of that 2035 that we've been watching for so long. So we'll see that rejection off there and see what happens. Two things, guys. If anything, I think because of the amount of this push we might just get that push down to 2006 just to get all the liquidity down here, hold that, and then continue back up. All right, but we'll just watch what happens there. So again, for me, I'm gonna be watching the 4 hour. Nothing too crazy. I think if the 4 hour can close rejecting this 2035, we will definitely be going back down. Otherwise, we might get that turnaround on that side of things. So on the 30-minute, you can see the only thing I'm not liking is on the 30 you can see we really are. That's obviously from the news still coming out. I always talk to you guys about how you can see there that is this early morning actually still continuing up, where basically other sessions need to price in for what still happened. So that's just a continuation. But over here now you can see we're kind of making this little structure. If we start maybe holding this lows over here, so let's just say we get these lows over here that we start holding. Very simple. A lot of you guys will probably see this. Make your neckline, go test the shoulders, and then you got that 3 head and shoulders, and you can have that melt off after that. Alright, But again, that is just something we can look at over there. For the open and close of sessions like Key's chart, we'll get into it for you guys there, and I'll show you all that. Okay, we just want to run through quickly before market open, and then we'll get to those things for you guys. But we could actually take this off the chart now. I don't need that there. But on the 15, let's just quickly go through this. Let's just mark out our stuff here, our Asia highs and lows. Yeah, I'm going to have to go far down here to go get us. Asia lows.
Good morning, car culture. Hello.
Where, guys, am I blind? Does anyone see my Asia highs? Where the hell did they go?
This chart looks a bit messy.
Hey, am I blind here, guys? Does anyone? Oh, there, wait, there it is. What do you mean my chart's so messy?
It looks a bit chaotic and yeah, cheapers.
There's a lot going on here.
Yeah. I think maybe that's why, okay, I might get into trouble for saying this, but like I think that's why women traders battle a bit. Like we want everything to be neat and tidy, and I don't think that's possible with trading.
There is a time we always say you want a neat chart, but to a point it's going to get busy.
Yeah,
You can say that.
I can see this. Cheapers.
All right, guys. So we are basically Asia highs, Asia lows tested. So at this point in time, if we're looking at the 5, first thing I can tell you guys, there we go. We got these lows. Literally, again, we always say to you guys, becoming a magnet for price. So if we maybe fail to even test the key level again, come back for this. I'd love to see us break these equal lows, test it again, and continue down for that 2006 just to get that liquidity to go back to the top side. Obviously, our daily pivot and EQ way below us. Literally, the 2006 in between the pivot and the EQ. So I definitely think that is on the table for us today, guys. Again, especially with unemployment claims coming out. If we look at our numbers came out with the labor markets and stuff, I think that is going to be dollar strength for the unemployment claims. But that is gold, guys. So we'll see. We'll wait for that pullback if we fail here at the key level. Otherwise, if we gain this, we can look for that market move to the upside to get Asia highs, and continue bullish after that. All right, UJ, let's get going, guys. All right. So on the daily, we also turning bearish now. So not only the yen, we obviously know yen pairs we want to be going against, but dollar is absolutely annihilated now. So like we said, that was an absolute unicorn from Powell last night. Definitely was not expecting him. Just quickly, guys, we'll actually run through what exactly was basically said from him in a nutshell. The big summary notices that guys should just take note of. So over here, Fed Powell's inflation has eased without significant increase in unemployment. Inflation is still too high. Path forward uncertain. The fully committed to returning inflation to 2%. We have significantly tightened the monetary policy, and our actions have moved policy rates well into restrictive territory. So there we go. Remember we said that, guys, the restrictiveness yesterday. It's really good to see progress we are making on the inflation. We're still well above 3% on the core PCE though. Policymakers are thinking we have done enough. We think we have done enough on rates, and that is it. So now the whole thing is, guys, he's starting to talk about those cuts really coming in the view. So it's coming a lot quicker now that we could see how things were going. So literally, end of the day, it's just a massive dovish reaction, and now the rate cuts are on the table. They're on the table now. So that's where the dollar was put away yesterday. So let's just keep that one in mind. Keys, I love our analysis lines. 2006 is a strong support. There's gang news today as well. Yeah, bro. So as I said, we are bullish. But again, I always say to guys, when you have those massive push, even think about when literally 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, we had those push where we went for the all-time highs on gold. We had that straight pullback. When you have massive moves like that, it has to come back down. And then you'll see it will go back up, but it will go back a lot slower and a more consistency that it doesn't need to come back for it, if that makes sense. So with a move like FOMC, you definitely can predict at least a 50% pullback today. But yeah, guys, back to UJ. You can see, so we took out the lows yesterday, obviously, with that all coming in. So there we definitely taken that. We are now at the weekly support, so we'll see what will happen there. On the 4 hour, not too much happening there that I'd like to look at. The 30-minute though, again, just constant bearish momentum. So I think the only thing is we'd look at today, guys, for now, 30-minute, if we are closing above this area. So we'll just keep an eye on this one. But otherwise, we'll see if we can continue higher. I think the next area obviously will be this zone. We're going to watch out for there. So we'll just keep an eye on this if UJ starts approaching that one. All right. Then over to Euro USD, guys. Actually, we need to still just set the Asia range quickly. Let's just do that one. Just as I'm going to have to go fetch all these things now, all these dollar pairs. So let's just see. Yeah. It literally feels like holiday, guys. Last stream today for me for the year. Literally can feel the holiday vibes. What's up, my brother? Man's looking blessed here today. Alright, but again, guys, if you look at this on the time frames, yeah, you can see it as well. Basically just going for Asia highs remain untested. That's that zone we want to break. You guys can see there. So definitely, I think once we can start getting above the you can look to continue those longs up for Asia highs. Once you're at Asia highs, you should be around the 200 EMA as well. So we'll see if we reject from there to go lower down. But we'll keep an eye on this breakaway points over here, guys. Okay, that will be us for today on UJ. Let's go over to EU. I think that's also going to be a pain now. That going to definitely be a big move. So let's go on the daily, guys. Take away these little zones there. This was still a beautiful reversal time when we caught this thing over here. Can't remember who was all in that trade with us. But yeah, guys, for us on the daily, I think already we can see there that's going to be another support area on the daily we're going to want to watch out for. So let's just take these candle closures there. We just want to see what's going to happen here on reaction, alright? So we already are giving this nice inverse. If we had to close like this, funny enough, I would just coming back down. But fundamentally now, I think we should get that push above. So on the 4 hour, let's see what we get. You see already now the 4 hour is closing. So for me on EU, funny enough, remember we said that dollar is going to get that push up. So EU being the most correlated pair. So let's just see now, this should be coming down. Obviously we already are nicely extended past the weekly resistance already on Thursday. But we always talk about Friday, can we start seeing that reversal, guys? So if we go here on the 30-minute, literally, oh yeah, when you actually said that, that's not the right range, guys. But we also don't break below. So I think already on the 30-minute, if we get a closure under this zone now at 10 o'clock, I think we can look for the sells on EU. But we will just do this. Let's just change that to weak bullish but neutral. Yeah, we're going to stay with that, but we'll just see what happens over here. We'll actually even change the daily to neutral as well.
What does neutral mean?
It can swing either way.
Okay.
Yeah.
So no like decided movement.
Yeah, there's no like definite outcome at this time. Alright, that's EU. EJ, let's get into that one.
I see car culture said that I just showed my girlfriend YouTube and told her she needs to also start sitting by my computer with me now. That's the only way we're going to learn. I have to watch. I'm someone like I need to see it to know what's going on. I sit here and I ask questions. It's interesting for me. I'm learning as well.
Yeah, she does want to actually learn. We were going to have it started a bit earlier this year, and that didn't work out.
Yeah,
so
prep was too much. Can't prep was too much. But now I said to him, even on our holiday, like I'll sit with him and he can go through it with me. And who knows, maybe next year I'll take some trades on the stream as well.
Yeah, but as you guys can, let's just carry on here quickly. We're nearly done. EJ taking out those lows, so actually going bearish as well. I think Euro is actually just taking a few knocks, if I remember correctly. But we'll see what happens with their policy. I think that's actually the problem. If I look at EJ and that now, I think they, with all their policy directions that will be coming out, I think EJ is also just taking, Euro in general is taking some knocks. So definitely looking quite weak at this point in time. Again, taking out those lows. For me, guys, I think this is just making the top of the day. So I think we might get that push down for the key level. All right. So if we go 30 minutes. Nothing I'm really seeing on EJ I'm liking, guys, if I'm honest with you. That was a closure of those lows over there, basically the S1. So if we want to be holding this rejection to continue lower personally. But let's just see what is going on here. Asia highs, let's just move these bad boys into place. Asia lows. That should be Asia lows there. What time's that? 7. Yeah, cool, that's Asia lows. Yeah, so I think personally, guys, we might just even hold the S1 and continue lower. But keep in mind, Asia highs are untested. So same as with the Euro USD, might just get that push up to get it to go continue lower. Then let's just go over GU. So GU, we are bullish, guys. You can see the big difference here coming in with these pairs. Let's just extend this. I can pull that zone over for you guys. So we'll see now. This is where our battleground for the day is going to come in on GU. This was our breakaway and support. You can see how we held this support so many times, rejected. So now we are back up, guys. But keep in mind, we're on a 4 hour. So we could just get a fake out and close below. We know, as we said, dollar wants to be making that comeback. So we will just have to see what happens over there. I'm not too worried about that zone for now. Let's take that out. So we're going to see what happens. I think we should hold this, so it shouldn't be anything too bad. So just keep an eye on that for 12 o'clock. GU, I personally wouldn't enter now. We're going to wait for that. And then we'll see on the 30-minute, guys. Yeah, you can see we still are holding it nicely. But I want to wait for that 4-hour closure because we are getting these little fake outs around here at the moment. So I'll rather wait for that 4-hour closure. But on the 15, also looking good that we are going to start holding it. So let's just see where our Asia range is. And then we can try and really zone in those entry points for us. Alright. That would be our Asia lows there. Alright, okay. So we look over here, guys. We can see Asia lows is being tested. I think if we can hold Asia lows, which I definitely think we should. We also tested that 200 basically over there. I think literally right now, guys, if we can just start getting above here, a nice close literally like this now above, I think we can look to go along for Asia highs. So GU definitely might be on the table for us today, guys. All right, so keep an eye on that one. I just want to quickly go over there. Yeah, GU I think is actually beautiful, guys. If we literally, oh guys, and there we go, markets are open. Ding ding ding. Round 1 fight. But literally, guys, let's see with the 50-minute shuffle. Maybe we get an entry on this. The GU longs look beautiful to me. So we'll see if we can get something here. Let's hope she doesn't run away from us. But yeah, that's what we want on the table today, guys. GJ, let's see what happens here. Alright, GJ taking absolutely shots. So I think it wasn't Euro, I mean, is bad. Looking at Euro USD compared to GU. But the yen pairs, I think, are actually all just taking shots altogether. I think looking at this now, definitely weekly support is going to be our first target on the day. You're not going to want to get in on this, guys. That is just one-way momentum the whole time. So not something we'll be looking at. We basically the S1 again. But I think we're most likely going to be holding the S1 as resistance this time around now. So we'll just see what happens there. Let's just bring our Asia range down. So yeah, guys, looking at the yen pairs, definitely not something I'd want to jump in on right now. So just be careful with those ones if you do want to go for that. But personally, I'd stay out of the yen pairs for now. There is some other pairs looking just a lot better for us. But that's GJ. Last two, guys, just the indices quickly and we are done. Alright. Still very bullish, guys. We got these bars being flying on Nas and US30, but we are still bullish as hell, baby. Nothing changed in this. We got the breakaway, very simple trade for us yesterday. On the 1 hour, let's look over here.
Chad,
Oh, the boys, yeah.
how you doing, Keeks?
Good job, brother.
I'm good. Just glad to be at the office finally.
Alright, guys, so on the 30-minute we are currently closing below the lows, so maybe we do get a little bit of pullback for now on Nas. Don't think it'll be anything major, but obviously EU and daily pivot way below us. But as you said, when we're in this range breaking, just trending markets, it's always not likely that you're going to get those pullbacks. So we're not going to set our hearts on it, but let's just see where we can then get a nice entry for the day on these pairs, guys. We can see there, that's there. Let's put it over there. All right. So personally right now we're at the R1, the daily R1. What I would like to see, guys, is maybe that pullback for Asia lows to get tested. Hold Asia lows, continue up. I think that's going to be a very, very simple trade for us today on Nas, guys. Otherwise, if we do start holding this zone, you can enter, yeah, but keep in mind, I do think you will get even a pullback maybe to like middle halfway of the Asia range. So then something like that. So if you want to enter, yeah, and not be patient and jump the gun, just make sure you have a big stop loss there, in my opinion. All right, guys. Otherwise, Asia lows would be on the money for Nas today. US30, very, very similar market, guys. If we look here on the daily, can see just continuing bullish. There's nothing stopping these charts. Like they have just been absolutely running. Let's get rid of these. I'll get rid of that other one later. On the 1 hour, okay, momentum starting to slow down. So we're probably just going to want to see that breakaway again today, personally. I think that's all we're going to really want to keep an eye on. On the 30 minute, there we go, we can see those highs. So that's definitely what we're going to want to watch out for. Let's just get that nice on the top of those candles there. Yeah, there we go. So that's what we're going to watch out for on there. Let's just get it down here. Asia range, guys. I think that will also really zone this in nicely for us. Just this thing moved.
Did you trade last night, Geeks?
Nah, bro. Did you?
Yeah, I think missed my buy limit, Euro USD. The one day we expect to spike, they don't spike.
Yeah, guys, so you can see US30 having a much closer pullback to the Asia lows. So if it does start going now, getting those Asia highs, I'll get in, guys. Otherwise, again, saving their way for Asia lows. But because we have had a nice pullback, if we get to the Asia highs, we can get that turnaround and get those bars in. So we'll just look for that and pay attention there. But that is it, guys. We have done the quick run through, quick analysis on the markets here today. But we will see what happens. Definitely, I think, going to get some trades here. But let's see. GU already did set that little alert off. So hopefully, guys, after this 15-minute shuffle, we can get in on this. So we'll just keep an eye out for that one. But yeah, that is looking good so far, guys. I'm really loving what I'm seeing on the markets here. Jeff, obviously, I think you're going to take a while till you can.
Yeah, just give me like 10 minutes.
Cool. But alright, guys, I know that's been quite a run through. Let's just go through the chat a bit here quickly. Will Chris return? Yeah, he's coming back later, brother. He's just had some meetings and stuff this morning he's got to go do. But he will be here just now, and then obviously from tomorrow. Chris is still here. I just won't be here. I knew Big Daddy Pound had an ace up his sleeve. Oh, he means I was in gold bars from New York session yesterday. That's awesome, bro. Pulse my phase one with that move. I'm so happy. That is awesome, bro. Rafik's new video on Marco is gold. I must go check it out still. I was Nas bars. I got record yesterday. It was in sales. Yes, bro. That must have been rough. I was in the sidelines. Hi, guys. Does everyone know what indicator you use for the open and close of sessions, like key shots? So the open and close of sessions, bro, it's the Sonar Lab sessions. That's the one I use. Morning, Mr. and Mrs. Keegs. Chris, hair grew fast. Looks great. What's up, traders? Has everyone made bank yesterday on FMC? How's everyone doing today? Marcus went one direction last night. Was so sad to watch that move. Keegs, I love on that. Yeah, I went through that one. How's it, Keegs? Did you manage to sort out that fake account, bro? I don't even actually pay attention. I swear I have like 3 a day at this rate. So whenever people send me messages, I'm like, guys, I can't do anything about it. They block me. So I need you guys to just report the fakes, and if they get taken down, they get taken down. But yeah, it's a daily occurrence at this point. The toad lives to tell the golden truth. Nah, nice, brother. Nah, played out well, bro. I hope you held it though. 'Cause I know a lot of people in New York session when they started having a bit of the sells, a lot of people were pulling out. So I hope you held through that. Fully agree with that logic, Morning G. Yep. What goes up must come down. What goes down, however. I just showed my girlfriend, yo, you guys. Good morning. How do you enter the giveaway? Bro, I haven't even announced there's a giveaway. So what giveaway are you talking about? Yo, where's Chris? Chris is coming later. He's in the meeting, guys. Welcome back, Kate. Brush, he lasted 2 minutes. Hello, Keegs. Where's the bell? Yeah, we gave you the bell, bro. Are you able to change your charge to dark mode? No. I don't like dark mode, bro. Well, I do, but I changed my charge up. The fair has arrived. Welcome, JV. I think retail sales and jobless games going to be bullish for DXY. Going to try and get the short entries. Yeah, so we are agreeing on the same thing today, the car culture. Watching from Namibia, clean and clear live. That is awesome. Welcome, welcome. Morning, Jen. Selling US30. Yo. Yes, can Toad go 2 for 2? You trade just GBP USD? No, bro. I literally went through like 9 pairs or something now. The title says giveaway, Keegs. Oh, it's an old one, but okay. But anyway, guys, we actually are doing a giveaway.
But yeah, we still are doing a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers.
No, we're doing a giveaway today as well still.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, bro.
Awesome.
So I'm going to decide on what our conditions are for the giveaway, guys. And then we are going to get into that. Morning, guys. Vince in the house. Welcome, brother. Where's Chris? Okay, for the 3rd time, guys. He is in a meeting. Jay, my bro, your cat is sick, cousin.
Oh, thank you. I'm not fully happy with it, but I had to deal with what the barber gave me.
Alright, guys. But we've got 159 viewers. We are still at 60 likes. I think because we want to be generous and we want to help you guys out. It is my last one. Let's just make it. If we get 200 likes, guys, we will do that $5,000 funded account giveaway. So let's get those likes up, guys. 200 likes, and we will do that $5,000 funded account giveaway. Yo, Toad, I hope you weren't in those cells already, my brother. Did y'all catch any post FMC trades, by the way? Nah, brother. I didn't trade. I was chilling out last night. I mean, today's been my last day. I'm on holiday tomorrow. I'm not watching the charts, bro. Come on, man, Keys. Be in a good mood and make it 150. Can't make it that easy for you guys. USD is a new high zone. How work now? Yeah, if we break this, I'd like to go in the bars. So if we get a closure, yeah, I would go bars. Yeah, till where? You just said run, bro. For me, long term, like I'm aiming for those. Okay, this looks a lot worse on the 5 minutes. Literally, bro, I'd be swinging. Okay, why is this looking so flippin' massive now? Yes, it's okay. Why is this looking really massive? Did we pass it already? Hey, that was our all-time highs we broke. Ah, bro, I'll just keep swinging this thing. I just hold it, and you just trail it. That's all. Indices are still bullish until we raid the monthly high. Fake out US30. US30 looks scary as fuck on higher time frames, yeah, bro. FMC was so crazy. I'm going to hedge it next time. Whatever you use on the one side, you're definitely making back. Yeah, bro. It's not that FMC is like that every time. It's more. It's like what happened last night was because that was the unicorn that we spoke about yesterday. If that was any of the other outcomes, it definitely wouldn't have moved like that. But yeah, Sunil, if you think it's a fake out, my brother, you and Toad is selling it with you, so you can take those sells. Morning key and check your WhatsApp, bro. Did you pack your bags yet? No, actually I didn't, bro. Here's until both get triggered out there. Nah, bro, it looks clean, my man. Keys, how do you set up your Asia lows on Nas? On Nas? The same way I set it up on everything else? There you go. We're in between 2 and 7, so there's 5 bars, so that was our first candle, so that's the low point there. And then that's our high point. Do either of you have Bitcoin? No, brother. I'm here because of my why, to master skill and not focus on money side. Thanks, Jeff, for the mental advice on streams.
You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. You're welcome.
JFX, bro. Well, I mean, only 3 is nothing, bro. What's it at, like 1 point something mil per Bitcoin? So that means you're sitting like 3 something mil up in Bitcoin. I'm holding Bitcoin from 27k. Damn. What's the name of the indicator you use with the different color boxes that shows the different sessions? Sonar Lab sessions. Yeah, Sonar Lab.
So far from my side, I don't like the way GU and EU looks. I want to see DXY fill that gap and see how we react to daily open. If we reject from there to continue pushing lower, we might potentially see some buys on EU and potentially on GU as well. But let's wait and see. I'm going to look at another pair that wasn't affected by the news. Maybe we find a setup on something different.
Yes, sir. That's for my house's maintenance, lol. Oh my word, this thing's doing the thing again where I can't pin a message. Someone in the chat, please just copy and paste the message I sent there about the giveaway just so we can pin that. Is it the Asia kill zones indicator key areas? No, that's what Chris uses. I'm Sonar Labs, bro. Right, open it up here, you'll see. Sonar Lab sessions, that's what I use. Because of the reason, remember, I do for the day count, so I want to be able to see my Asia, London, and New York very clearly. In profit on US30 sales, yeah, bro. Okay, to be fair, I don't know how you in profits because you called those US30 sales when it was over here, and that thing went up there. So I don't know how you are in profits, my brother. I still said to you, you entered somewhere, you called it, and then I said no. Well, you're going for the Asia highs. So this thing went up for Asia highs. It's only there now, and somehow you're in sales. I don't know how that works. I mean, you're in profit. Hey, what's up? In 2 months, Bitcoin has almost doubled. Yeah, it's crazy, bro. Pin message. Alright guys, but the giveaway, I mean the 15-minute shuffle has come and gone. If we get a closure over here guys, like this now above this zone, I'll go for the GU longs. I'll wait for it to sweep liquidity. Alright bro, so if you're going to do that, then don't call, say, sell US30. Because that means you're entering now. Say, looking at sells.
Okay, so you wanna long GU?
Yeah.
Okay. Now then, I won't fear it. I won't fear the buys. Then I won't fear it. I'm gonna follow Giganterius.
Yeah guys, if we close above this, I will go long on GU. Are you from SA? Yeah, we are. We are in GQ. But what's it? Gay beta. What did you say?
Oh, sorry, what?
What did you call it?
What's that?
Cabeja.
Gebira.
Cabera.
Oh, okay, guys. GU
Oh, the
is
extra cells, yeah.
GU is sweeping that thingy. I'm gonna buy GU, yeah. I'm gonna back keys, yeah.
Okay, bro. Now that's the difference in strategies. PE, yeah, we're from PE. So you entering long now, eh?
Yeah, I'm gonna quit these lots.
Alright, there you guys go. That's where Jevin is entering. You guys can see there. Wish you all the best, my brother.
Thank you.
For me, that's a no trade now, but I wish you all the best.
Now don't worry, I'll confirm the buys for you. Okay, guys. So stop slightly below that level. You see, so stop 6 pips. Targeting Asia high.
There you guys can see. Let me just see where is your entry so I can put it on my screen.
So entry is 1.26165 more or less.
Okay. And then your stop is 6 pips.
6 pips, yes. So stop is at 1.26100.
Yeah. And then TP?
TP is 1.26523 Asia high.
Alrighty, okay guys. So you can see there, this is Jeff's trade. Let's see how this runs.
Yeah, we're really up.
Sound is breaking. Audio is not great. Audio from what side? From my side or from Jevin's side? Just let us know. Because it's weird now all of a sudden it's going out now apparently. My hometown, Karicha. Oh, awesome. Let me spark some controversy while we wait for moves. What do y'all think of BRICS, crypto, and World War III, New World Order probability? So my thing is, bro, firstly, BRICS isn't going to do shit with the currency. It's all talk. Until they can actually make something official, like actually do something. For example, you have to start, you can talk about things, but like anything, you have to start getting the ball rolling at some stage. They've done nothing to get the ball rolling. So until anything happens that way, BRICS, you don't have to worry about. They're not going to do shit to the markets. And World War III, for me personally, it will never happen. Because if we have to have World War III, that'll probably be the end of the world. Like the technology and the weapons today, everyone will just be nuking everyone. Like that's it. That's it. It's done. And crypto, I don't believe in, bro. I don't believe in it. It's not a physical thing. It's all what's the name?
JFX said it perfectly now. The New World Order is already in action.
But crypto is all virtual, bro. For example, meaning it's all a server. If the servers that carry all of that crashes today, crypto is gone tomorrow.
Yeah, and also the thing with that said, JFX, New World Orders in action. Really, what Keegan said now, it's all digital money. So a lot of people are waking up to the thing of like, people say cash is trash, but cash is king as well. If all the money in the world, if a law must be passed when they say like there's no more money, no more paper money, all digital, that will mean that governments will have full control over what we buy, sell. They will track all of our movements. That will mean that we have no freedom. So I doubt that will happen immediately, unless like Egan said now, unless like there's actually something that happens in the sense of geopolitics, unless we see some type of dictator stand up and so forth. Okay, I don't want to sound religious now and so forth, ne? The Antichrist in Revelation says that every man and woman, rich and poor, will have to receive a mark on his hand or his forehead to buy or sell. And if you think about it this way, what entity will be able to just come into the world and dictate what we can do with our lives? What about governments? What about armies? How can this individual, the Antichrist per se, just take all the money away? That will mean that governments, armies, and so forth must be in cahoots with this individual. Hence, we can currently see that many governments are incompetent. We can see people like Putin and so forth doesn't want to comply with the elites. So these are things that there are people on the front lines trying to avoid this. But the moment, it also goes back to, like, for instance, look at this. For instance, look at TikTok. Look at all the dumb videos we see. There's no value being shared in general. So this means society is being dumbed down. There is let me quickly Google it. The scientific name for water. So the scientific name for, okay, not H2O. There's a specific name for it. Hydrogen monoxide, that's the word. So there was a study done on people where they asked them, if you get too much of this hydrogen monoxide, you will obviously drown. And they asked if should we ban it, and people said yes. But because they didn't know what it is, they were open to banning water per se. And this goes back to, like I said, our society is being dumbed down. This goes back to this whole carbon thing as well. This your carbon footprint. We're going into this age where sustainability is going to be this big thing, this illusion. This, you remember the best way to control a nation is to have them have an enemy they can't see, hear, or touch. You feel me? Because that way you can create illusions around the enemy as well. Okay, I'm going off topic here. There's so many. This is a very deep topic. Yeah. But my whole point with that is it's all about control in the end, and this is why we as individuals, we have to stand up, we have to spread our message, we have to spread truth, because otherwise we're gonna live in a dumbed down society. Okay guys, just quickly, I'm gonna go I'm gonna move my stop on GU. We're up 10 pips. I'm gonna just adjust it like up for like a 4 pip stop. So I'm just move it up a bit. I think you guys can see my screen. So just move it up 4 pips. No, I'm wrong. Sorry, not 4 pips. Move it up 2 pips. Sorry. It's my mistake. Okay. Oh, okay, I see it's on Keegan's screen. But yeah, I just trailed my stop to 1.26220. I'm sorry, 120. So it's literally, let me just double check it.
Bro, bro, what were you going on about now?
Nothing. Now we're just talking about control as a society. Also think about it this way, guys. Ne? Say you become so rich and powerful. We make an example. Let's say you can buy a Ferrari every 10 minutes. That's how much money you earn. Money becomes nothing to you. What's going to be the next thing you're going to strive for? Power and control. And that is exactly what is happening right now, to control us as individuals. And this goes back to why you need cash reserves. You need to diversify so much, in a sense of like you shouldn't be dependent only on one thing, because anything can happen. A very good example there was COVID. It happened so quickly where none of us could do anything about it, and we just had to comply, So Yeah, yeah. If I continue, might get banned.
Yeah. End of the way, guys. Like, so I'm just going on about this whole thing. Like, so if crypto is the future, why is it not bigger? For example, like, why would the richest, most successful people in the world, why are they not so much more involved in it?
Oh, but they are.
No, they're not.
BlackRock.
I'm not okay, so let's understand something, guys. This is a fact. If you guys don't know this one, the top 5 families, actual families, richest in the world, are not actually in the top 5 richest in the world because they don't publicize all their assets.
But okay.
They're not interested about the fame.
Okay, interesting. That's interesting. But what if your agenda was to control people and you select puppets? Give them the fame, give them everything they want. You just lurk in the shadows.
No, bro. So for example, the whole guys that are building the line in Saudi Arabia. Who's building that?
Wait. Say it again.
The new city that's being built in Saudi, the line.
Wait, what's it? Okay, I haven't seen this.
Who's building that? Can anyone here answer that question? Who is funding that construction? Let's see if anyone can answer that question. Rothschilds, have you not seen the new blockchain technology? Again, guys, Keys Div, is your bias bullish? Would you short on lower time frames? I personally wouldn't. If we continue this conversation, we're going to end up at the bottom of the Fanta book. Wow, because it's part of this initial bought next year because they own the banks. Crypto is their competition. We're all going political today, Chad. The oil, one of the families, banks. Actually, no, the banks aren't, guys. One individual person is funding the whole thing, and we're not talking millions. We're not talking billions. We're talking a shitload of trillions. One person is funding. And he isn't in the top 5 in the world. And that's what I'm talking about. Like, people, these guys don't want to. And I always say to people, that when you start surrounding yourself with truly, truly wealthy people, they're not flashy. Like, okay, let's say it this way. They're not on social media. It's not about showing their houses, their cars, their private jets, their yachts, all this stuff. It's not about always having every single latest, greatest car. There's a lot of like other things that go into it, but they're not in these Forbes magazines and things like this. Is he Arab? Yes, he is Arab.
Hi there. How you doing?
How did he even get the all black memo?
Hey man, what all black memo?
Add all black memo.
Guys, just give it one more minute. We might just go break even on GU.
I was gonna say I'd go break even if I was you, bro.
Just give it. Let's just wait for this candle to close. This 3-minute candle.
But bro, you guys have to see this. So obviously we got our year-end function today now. So everyone is told like all black, okay? All black. Mo rocks here in bright green pants, like a cream shirt. I just like, oh bro, I don't know what you're talking about. Like, oh, everyone else got it.
Oh, they're shooting me then. I'm a fucking rebel, bro. What's that? What's that? What's that?
Oil money. He is involved in oil, but he has a lot of stuff. It's not salmon. Jeff, have you gone break even?
We're gonna go break even. Yeah, you can go break even now, guys. Candle closed.
All right, guys, there you go. Jeff, break even on that trade. Wait, I'm not invited to the year-end function. These demo profits making you forget about me. I'm kidding, Chad. But, yeah, guys, I mean, we're not going to go into this whole political thing, but there's a lot of stuff in it. I always said to you, put it this way. All the guys that in. So this is again surrounding yourself with people and experiences in life. You will learn these things. And even for myself, like for example, all the guys that want to give you the greatest life advice, they want to tell you all the conspiracies in the world, they want to do all these type of things, are guys that are battling in life. They'll sit in a bar, drink their life away, but they want to tell you how the world works. But all the guys have figured it out. They're not there because they don't need to say anything. They don't need to talk. Again, money walks, it doesn't talk. So that's just my opinion on that one, guys. If you're gonna have, like, again, you don't need to have the arguments about it. Before actually go, Jeff, you also still believe the whole Corona was a conspiracy, yeah?
Not a conspiracy, but it set the stage for something bigger. Think about it this way, bro. Think about it this way, ne? When in history has the government ever had so much control over our lives where they tell us you can't go anywhere? And not just that, without anyone even putting up a fight, we just complied. I understand the fact that, yeah, whatever, but think about it this way. You still have a choice as a human being. You shouldn't be dictated as to what you can and can't do, especially by a government.
Okay, so let me put it this way. Let's take away the government now. Let's take other stuff. If I told you, I put you in a room. You have no rights. You have nothing on this. You sit on the floor. You do this because if you move, you're gonna die.
I believe it's my choice.
But you'll die because
I still
you
my,
won't just listen.
yeah, it's still my choice. I believe we all can still make a choice, our own choices.
No. You 100% can make the choice, but I'm saying the choice is yours. So you move, you're gonna die.
Yeah.
But if I just sit there and listen, I'm okay.
Yeah, I understand that. But with that said, also, it's the same thing as anything. We can all. How can I put it? What example can I make? Same as, for instance, if you like, they say, have a child, tell the child, don't touch that, you're gonna burn yourself.
Yeah.
Ne? The child listens to you. You can either learn and burn, or he can listen. Understand what I'm trying to say? But the choice is still his. He has free will.
No, yeah. And I'm not saying you shouldn't have free will. I'm just saying, like you said there with the kid. 99%, yes, the kid is still gonna go touch it. He's gonna burn.
Okay.
But he's gonna learn that, okay, I was told to do this. I actually would have been unharmed if I did what you told me to do.
Okay. Let's rephrase that. You say, if I sit in the room, I will die. Ne? If I move. Okay, what's the cause of what makes me die?
There's toxin gases. There's something there. There's something like you.
Okay.
You can trigger something and you'll die.
If I can see it, then I'll believe it.
Oh yeah. So it's just because so you don't see air, but you believe you breathe it.
For instance, okay. That's a valid point. But when we talk about something that is man-made, it's different. Because also, why I say man-made, where did the virus escape from?
It was in a lab.
You see, so it's man-made.
Yeah. So how do all antibodies get created?
Okay, but for instance, the only proof they had of COVID was a picture of coronavirus, but no one actually showed us. How can I put it? No one could could capture it in a like under a microscope, for instance, show us like this is what it actually looks like. They did. This is no. But for instance, like no one actually showed us like, look here. This is how the lab looked. This is the container it was in, whatever the case. This is how it escaped. The story behind doesn't make sense also.
Guys, we are going to trade. It's just like I said, markets, again, the whole thing of no volatility. We're waiting for zones to be activated and stuff like that. So we have our alerts in place. I mean, you guys are in the GU trade. We're just waiting for alerts to be like triggered. So you guys are in a trade already. It's just no point just sitting there staring at it. So might as well have some entertaining talking here. But yeah, literally nothing on the charts for now, guys, other than the GU trade we're in.
Okay, let's quickly talk about Satanism. Satanism, they believe in...
Where are we going religious here now?
No, let's talk about Satanism quickly. They believe that they believe if in karma basically. So if they tell you about something, then so if they give you a poison apple and they tell you it's poison and you eat it, it's your choice. You know, you've eaten it.
Yeah.
So for instance, there is a document called Operation Lockstep. It's a PDF. You guys can all go search it. The Operation Lockstep PDF, it is written by the Rockefeller Foundation. It was written in 2010 and it predicted the 2020 lockdown. So for instance, let me quickly see if I can find it. Where is the PDF?
So Sam, just to answer your thing, it's not a case of I'm saying you can't ever move forever. Then 100% I agree with you. But I'm saying if it's a case of literally for 3-4 hours you can't move, are you gonna risk your life because for 4 hours you can just sit still?
This would be the same question as I would point with COVID. Why am I in the room? Why is there toxins there? Why are you guys working on viruses? Why are you guys creating something that could put us all at risk?
Because that's how you create antibodies. You have to create the virus to fix it. So if you remember,
But for instance,
all viruses is what actually heals you. Same thing, for example, I've always said this to people. People are all against steroids. When you get badly injured, it's the steroids that heal you.
okay, but for instance, I hear you on that. But for instance, COVID it's a new virus. So to kill COVID, for instance.
No, so they weren't. I'm not saying they weren't creating it to kill COVID. They were creating it to kill other things. So it's the same way. There's lots of toxins that are being created in the world today to fight cancer.
Okay, so let me ask you guys a simple question also as well. Do you believe that there's cures in nature?
That is what?
Cures in nature,
What does that?
like in the sense of plants, things that God has created instead of man-made. For instance, look at cancer. For instance, I believe that there is a cure for cancer, but because it's much more profitable to have people on chemo and things like that, they wouldn't release the cure for it.
No, that I don't agree with.
Do you know Dr. Sebi?
Dr. Sebi.
Yeah, he cured I think about 15 people from HIV and cancer, and then they locked him up. They then took him to court saying that he's making false claims. He brought the witnesses in. He showed them how he cured them. He was then sent to jail, and suddenly he dies from pneumonia.
Yeah, the Jeff. Nah, bro, Keegan sounding like an NPC. Oh, guys.
Sorry, I'm still looking for this thing. I was searching on Bing, which is owned by Bill Gates. So obviously they wouldn't show me the Operation Lockstep. I'll find it now.
Snake venom is the only antibody for a snake bite. Was planned. He is right. Agree with Jeff. Nah, guys. Jeff escaped the Matrix quick. Bring him back to Area 51. It doesn't censor. Agree with Jeff. Yeah, I'm not gonna say what I'm thinking there, guys, but yeah. Loving the fam meeting. If only I can spend 1 hour in Jev's mind. Just want to see something. We are lucky to live in Southern Africa, not gonna lie, with Jev.
Yo, bro, trust me, you don't want to be in my mind. You know, guys, once I had a thought, that thought ran with me. I couldn't think for like 30 minutes. I thought I'm gonna go crazy. Honestly, like my girlfriend literally had to hold me, like Javen, everything is okay. Like, look, like nothing is wrong. That's how far a thought ran with me once. So also be careful when you dive into conspiracies too deep, because you could put yourself at risk.
Yeah. Again, I'm not gonna comment on that one. But yeah, guys, keep in mind we got basically, what's it, 85 more likes, guys. We'll be doing that giveaway for you guys, that $5,000 vault funded account. So yeah, 84 more likes, guys, and we'll be doing that. Your girlfriend must always be extremely entertained.
Okay, guys, I found the PDF. I found
That's
it.
deep thinking. Told you the Phantom Blicky. Lots of people don't even know about Dr. Sebi. Why do I blow an account every day? Probably because you're thinking like this, my brother. 213 here, come on, Chad. Where's the Terminator? Wait, hold on. I made $3 profit as a lot size on demo on the GU signal converted to rands. I could buy 2 long with bread for 2 days. It might sound stupid, but it's principle, yeah. My mom is a doctor. She has a machine called a bioresurgence diagnostic. Checks your whole body in 7 minutes and shows everything wrong with your health. Hospitals don't have the amazing... What? Hospitals don't have this amazing machine? Yes, they do, my brother. My father's in a company that actually creates these machines. So again, when you want to talk medicine, that's why I will call people on their bullshit, because my parents are in it. So
Okay, guys,
I will happily call you bullshit when
can
it
I
comes to
quickly read
medicine.
something? So this was written in 2010. 2010 this was written. If we call this predictive programming. So China's government was not the only one that took extreme measures to protect its citizens from risk and exposure. During the pandemic, national leaders around the world flexed their authority and imposed airtight rules and restrictions from wearing mandatory face masks. So quick.
Oh, sorry, Jeff, just to get there. Just to answer, madam. Again, Toad, I hope you are in your profits there, my brother. I told you guys to buy here once we break the low. You had the drawdown and you are still going up. So hope you guys are in those bars. But yeah, sorry, Jeff.
But yeah, so world leaders flexed their authority by imposing airtight rules for and mandatory face masks, basically. Now it puts you in the question. In a restaurant, you walk in wearing a mask, then you go sit down, take your mask off. If you want to go to the toilet, you must put on your mask, you must go back to your seat and take your mask off. As if the virus, and also another reason, another thing, curfews. Why was there curfews at night when there's less people on the road? Someone in the police once said this to me, like, he doesn't understand what virus is that only comes out at night.
No, the curfews was at night, because at night time, what do we do as humans? That's when we socialize.
What about during the day when we're all stuck in the shops, in those
That's
lines?
why we weren't in shops.
Social distancing also, like, people didn't social distance, and yeah, that's...
So here's a question. So you
have
told me the amount of people that died and the amount of people that lived and the amount of numbers statistically that came down because of those implements.
Okay,
You're
but
telling me that's fake.
okay, but let's look at the stats. The people who died was on ventilators.
No.
Now look at the stats. Most people who died were on ventilators.
Why were they on ventilators? Because it killed their lungs.
But if you read the article on what ventilators did, it blew up their lungs. Even Elon Musk said it.
Okay, here's a question. So Jeff, did you have anyone in your family die from COVID?
I've had people around. No, I haven't. Because I've told them from the beginning that this isn't real. Remember, whatever you make real in your mind will manifest in your reality. I've been around people who also had COVID. I never got infected.
Yeah, so guys, if I think that is, and I'm going to say this one, if you have people that died from it, you're not going to question this thing.
My thing is
Did you even have COVID?
No, because I
There
don't
we
believe
go.
in COVID.
Bro, I'm not vaccinated and I've had it twice. The thing has blown up to make money. Guiding Toad with his Judas swing on wrong pairs indices. The ventilators were more dangerous. My grandma's best friend died in 2 days after getting vaccinated.
Oh, and that's another thing, the vaccine. Did you guys know after 2030, do you know blood will be a very, very expensive commodity? Because think of it as well, think about it this way, guys. You are made naturally in a certain way. Your body reacts to fluids and whatever case in a certain way. Your body has the capacity to heal itself. Hence, we must eat fruit, must eat vegetables. You must be healthy. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, let's say you vaccinate yourself for this thing. That obviously also affects your. Also, what was in the vaccine? It was called mRNA vaccine. Yes. So what is mRNA? So this is direct cells that produces copies of proteins outside of the so RNA instructs cells in the body to make specific proteins and display essential roles in our bodies. This goes back to what I say. Anything man-made is not perfect. God made us a certain way, and they want us to modify our biology. There's many attacks on us. This goes back to the LGBTQ movement. This goes back to racism. This goes back to propaganda. This goes back to distractions in the media. There are many systems in place to distract us from our ultimate purpose. And
What's our ultimate purpose?
to realize that we are love and that we need to come together. Because think about it this way. Let's go back to religion. What is the ultimate goal of humanity as a whole?
Okay, but that depends what religion you are.
Okay, I believe in one religion.
No, but that's
And-
what I say. So because you believe in one religion, and I'm just saying this as well, if you believe in one religion, you can't now just disown everything about someone else's.
Okay, fair enough. But what if there's only one truth and one of us is wrong?
Okay, but what's saying that yours is the right one and yours isn't wrong?
Okay, fair enough. Once again, but what about? Okay, I hear you on that. My answer to that will be my experience. For instance, we can see where the world is heading to in a sense of money. Everyone is starting to struggle.
Yeah.
In Revelation, it says the Antichrist will come. Every man, rich or poor, man and woman will have to receive his mark. We will be able, and if you don't have it, you can't buy and sell without his mark. Am I correct? So, looking at the world, where the world is heading and so forth, we're looking at communism. Have you ever looked at UBI, Universal Basic Income? That is basically the basis of worldwide communism. And this goes back also to how UBI will be implemented using worldwide crypto. And that will give them full control. So if you don't comply, they can take your credits and you can't buy yourself because there's no other money to use basically. Now, not bashing anyone on their religion here when I say this. What other religion basically predicts that outcome for humanity and looking at where the world is going? There's also a verse in Revelation where it says, do no harm to the plants, the trees, and the animals until the 144,000 is marked with the seal of God in their foreheads. Then only will governments be able to do whatever they want. But also then it says, the beast will be given authority for 42 months after these people have been marked, and they will be given authority over every tribe, language, and nation on the planet. This goes back to when the government ever have so much control over the planet, such as COVID.
Okay, so now
And
I'm
also-
gonna have
and
one
also-
question now. Okay, and
and-
this is kind of just to end this. It's not an attack on you, Jeff. But what did you say your dream was?
To start a bank.
To do what?
To first of all, because if this is gonna happen, where money will be taken away, then the goal with the bank is to become so big where we are able to have media influence, where we make sure that, because in the end, when you have so much money, you can kind of track where majority of the world's money is laying. If you have a majority of the world's money in your control, the Antichrist can't take money away from the people, and you can't force them to take their mark. So my vision with the bank is to become so big so that never happens.
So that you have power.
Well,
So that you overrule others.
not overrule others, but to make sure that that power is not in the hands of the wrong people. Because in the end, I can't do this alone, and hence this is also why I teach people how to trade. Because my vision with them is that so we all become so powerful, so we all have control over this economic system.
But that won't be able to work. That's how an economy works. So you can't all become rich together. So if you're going to become rich, you're going to be taken from other
But the
people.
thing is, once you have money, you have power, and then and that's when you start
Ooh,
having
but
control.
like
so
I said,
this goes back to
you have power
No,
and
no,
you have control.
No, check here quickly, name. So government is supposed to be there for the people. What does the ANC do?
No, but they're
They-
not there. Like anyone that
give
votes
us-
for them is an
They
idiot.
they give the people T-shirts and whatever the case. Most parties that I think of, like none of them actually do anything for the people. So if you can get to the point where you can start providing basic needs for people, for instance, I believe that there is more than enough on this planet to care for everyone if we can come to some sort of agreement as brothers and sisters, knowing that we have one creator. Doesn't matter what tag you put on, we all were created, and we can't deny that. We all live on this planet together. There's only one human race.
My mic's not muted, bro. I'm not saying anything.
There's only one human race, and the moment, think about it this way: imagine everyone is following their purpose. No one struggles with money. There's no jealousy. There's no greed. There's no envy. Imagine what humanity could accomplish. We would be out here chasing unfathomable goals right now at the moment. We will be exploring space. We will be doing things to a further understanding of our existence instead of just trying to survive. And that goes back to why I say I believe existence is more than just literally living, trying to make $1 every day in order for us to survive. Because if you spend, I always make this example. People say that they're very religious, but then I ask them, okay, so how much time do you spend with God? Most people spend more time trying to make money than they actually spend time trying to understand where they come from and the purpose of their existence. But yeah, I'll be done there for now.
You know what? I'm gonna just say this. There's two people in the world, guys. There's a guy that creates the company and the guy that runs the company. And then there's the guy that works for the company. Okay, keep that one in mind. There's the guy that will fix the car, and there's the guy that pays to have the car fixed. Those are two different people in the world. Because like Jeff's saying now, you want people that want to do things, okay? Just understand this. You can only do what you are capable of.
Okay,
Now-
okay, very important you say that. So
Now,
imagine
my thing
quickly,
is
imagine
you want to
quickly-
do all these things.
No, wait quickly. So, okay, good example. Let's say X amount of people, they're good with making clothes. X amount of people are good mechanics. X amount of people are good with building. X amount of people are good with money. There's certain people in every single field, right? Imagine they're so good with it. If your car breaks down, I can fix your car because I'm good at it. And because maybe, for instance, you maybe make clothes, Keegan, you can provide me with some. This goes back to the old barter system, basically. Money is a control system. Don't you agree?
Money?
Yeah.
No.
You don't agree money is called a control system?
No.
The devil once said, show what a man loves, what a man fears, I make him my slave.
If you're someone that I can put a price tag to something for you, then money is already controlling you.
Okay, but think about it this way. There's a lot of people out here, who really have nothing. If they could have 100,000 rand right now just to take care of their family, they would do anything for it.
Yeah, but that's because they're the money controller.
Okay, but how did they get to that position?
Because you made bad life decisions.
But what about, okay, let's also go back into family trees of oppression and things like that. Some people really didn't ask to end up in certain positions.
No. That's okay. That is one thing, guys. I'm sorry. I will always shut that one down. You are your own person. You can come from any life situation. That's what you make of it. I've known guys that have literally come from nothing, have been in locations, and are multi-millionaires now. They put the work in, they put the time in, they made something of their life. For example, you want to talk about rights. You are all given the right to free education, okay? You might not go to the best school, you might not do that. But with your marks, that's your responsibility. You get the marks, you put the work in, you get the bursary. That's why there's things like bursaries. So that it takes money that controls things out of the equation. You will get the bursaries dependent on your will, your commitments. You can then go do sports, you can go to varsity, you can go to schools, you can get accepted into the top class, top tier places to change your life and your future for you and your future generations. Where you come from is not an excuse for where you're going.
Okay, but what about certain people? Let's say, for instance, I know of people, for instance, who grew up, their parents died, for instance, and not maybe, for instance, something happened, but I know of people who died working for certain companies, and that those kids grew up having to take care of their younger siblings. They couldn't get that education, for instance, because their families had no choice but to do that, for instance. Some people really don't have a choice.
Nah,
Wouldn't you agree?
Still disagree. Still disagree on that one. But guys, just keep in mind, I don't know if Jeff, I know Jeff normally does, but he does take partials. Have you taken partials in this trade?
Oh, no, I'm not going to take partials and hold it.
Alright, but there you go, guys. You are flying in this trade. I think we both played out. I mean, you just, for me personally, you took a bit of a riskier entry, yeah? But I would have taken my entry on that breakaway. Obviously, guys, I'm not putting it out there because you guys are already in the trade. But we would have entered there, so either way, you would have been in profits on this GU trade. But Keeks pump volume for TP on GU. Yeah, guys, it is coming in. It is coming in nice and hot. Not everyone is capable of being a student. The difference with your starting point is a C student with a wealthy background will do much better than a C student with a poor background. But again, you have to be able to be a student to become a master. If you're ignorant to listen, that's on you. Keegan, my brother, I'm up 13% on the funding account, waiting for 30k payout on the 21st. That is insane, bro. Congrats on that one, man. Now you just lack the mindset. That's all. 100%, guys. Until you've been pushed to truly breaking, you don't know how far you can go, and that's why people don't actually know what their capabilities are. Should I hold US30 buys? I would hold it. Where's it going now? Ooh, yeah, okay. Technically, I would have been a break even, but when you were gone. But yeah. As I said, guys, I'm not in that trade. I don't buy indices in London session. I only buy indices in New York, or trade indices in New York sessions.
I think what we can do on this GU trade, guys, is maybe just move our stop into profit. I would say move it. That's not even a lot, but yeah, lock like 3 pips just to give you that that breathing room, so you don't end up with nothing.
Whoever watches this stream in 2019, remember Vince Cornelius was here 2023, baby. Alright. True SMC, Chalk, Fair Value Gap, like the Bulls said yesterday, all concepts, yeah. Bro, I came from dirt poor and now I own my own business, which has done more than $250,000 this year and looking to scale to 1.5 million next year, all because I was determined. That is it, my brother. You're literally an example of what I was talking about. Proud of you, my man. Well up to something like that, and respect for the hustle, bro. Don't forget to like, guys. We were at basically 150, guys. 50 more likes, and we'll be doing that $5,000 vault funded account giveaway, guys. Let them cook. Cryptic, that is alright, my brother. If you are gone, we'll see you another time, bro.
Yeah, like guys, like it's not like we're arguing about anything. We're literally having a conversation, and if we can't have a conversation about certain things, that's how you get challenged. Also, that's how you learn. That's how you grow. I'm sure I said certain things which you guys agree with. Keegan said things which I agree with. It's also things that makes me think. So it's all about conversation, guys. And it's not that we do this every day, so there's no need to get upset or anything like that. Everyone has their own views, their own choices. In the end, it's all about the purpose, all about your own purpose.
Yeah. And Mark, just answer your question of I can build a house and someone lives in it but may not know how to fix a car. Again, basically the issue is, what I'm saying is, someone will take the time to learn a skill because they can't see the goal. Alright? You need people that are visionaries, which are your entrepreneurs, that basically keep the mold moving. Then you get the guys that don't have the vision, they learn the skill set to work and do that. Keep in mind, both of them have their reasons, but again, you need both to keep the world moving. I'm not saying one's better than the other, but I'm just saying those are the two types. So I'm not saying the guy that builds the house can also fix the car, can also, no. I'm saying there's a guy that's a visionary, and there's the one that will get it done. It will go work for that visionary, if that makes sense. Well, someone's got to start the business for you to go work in the business. Keeks, check Goldbro, it's flying to 21. What? Who the hell said that? Oh, it's gonna fly to 2100. Oh, yeah, bro. But as you said, I'd like the pullback first initially. After that, maybe we can shoot off. Great job, guys. Jig with the sniper entry. I bought on the 5-minute close above and now move stops to. Yeah, as I say, guys, they both are good entries. Just for me, that was more. This is our structure. Yeah. So the fact, for example, this could have gone either way. So for me, if you want to take the break, if you look at it this way, this is your pullback. That's your pullback. You had the break below, taking out the lows, could have flushed. But we are bullish. So again, that's why we wouldn't have looked for the sells, but that invalidated it. Where for us, once we got back above with the closure we were looking for, making this resistance area close above, we would have entered there. That's just the difference on trading styles.
Ooh, guys, I'm looking for potential sell on Euro Shift.
All right. Well, when you're gonna enter there, just let us know, brother. We'll put you on for that one.
Okay.
Swiss conference now.
Yeah, that guy said that, and I was like, I remember that I was looking at Euro Chef.
Mario, but you need some kind of capital. Yeah, bro. So, for example, that is where your banks came in. Same way a bank took a loan to start its first thing and investments. And to get people there straightforward, and then someone will say that they are rude. Keys, you up for the day so far? I caught a GPUSD short coming down from last night's MSC push up. Euro NZD is crazy. I don't trade that one, bro. Lol, I was just about to type that. Exactly, man. People are quick to get offended. Yeah, bro. Do you get offended? Well, this isn't a place for you. Go cry somewhere else. What do you think of gold? We are bullish on it. Hey, Jeff, are you not worried about the gap on DXY?
That's initially why I took the buys, because I wanted to go full it. But what do you mean? No, I took it based on the confirmation.
Yeah. And
Okay.
keep in mind, guys, we are talking about it could have that pull up with news. The news is what's going to give it that push up to go get the gap fill.
Okay, guys, Euro Chef. I'm taking a small sell there. Stop will be a little bit. Oh shit, it's moving. Okay, so your stop loss will be 16 pips.
Do you think it's smart to take a bank loan in current situations with the world? Okay, Mario, so again, you are taking this completely out of context here. If you're going to go start that business, yes. If you need to, yes. Firstly, you're going there with a business plan. So you're not just signing out tomorrow and open up a coffee shop. I need this amount of money, I'm going to open up a coffee shop. You haven't done investigating into if there's a gap in the market for it. You have no understanding of where you want to, so location. You have no understanding of what critique and what niche your coffee shop is going to go for, if that is actually a need and what will have a standout. There's a lot of things you are just taking out of consideration. Firstly, so with orders in the world right now, yes, you can still take it.
I'm gonna secure off my profit on GU and then leave the rest to run. Sorry about that.
So yes, it is perfectly fine to do it, but I'm not saying go take it out blindly. If you have a business, you have a business plan, and if your business plan is like right, then yes, you can go do it.
Keys, Vince is asking because if I can share my Euro Chef.
Yeah.
Okay, so Vince, 4-hour chart, looking at trend, downtrend, lows are weak. So as you can see over here, with this wick price formed at this level, so that was the high. Want to see price break. As you can see, that wick over there didn't confirm, and then currently over here, this is the supply zone, so that's one see price trade into. So then on the 50-minute chart, this is where price traded into the block, but that was 11 o'clock last night, high of the day was formed, so I don't trust trading at that time, so it was mitigated. So today, fake move beginning of day, breaking above Asia, taking out that high. So that's what I wanted to see, and I want to see price basically come back below that level, changing character. So as you can see on the 3-minute chart, you have significant displacement over there. You could see there that first candle, that wick, price didn't break through it. Then we had that fall, changing character completely, and there was that little there was a fair value gap at that level, but I took it from that order block basically exactly at the OTE. So pretty much it. So targeting Asian lows, because Asian lows has not been swept yet. Nice risk reward of 1 to 3. Hope that makes sense.
There we go, Chad. Business or liability only take loans for assets. A business is an asset. If it's going to bring you income, it's an asset. Keys, the next one, I have a challenge for us. We fund 10k and trade the account for a month. The highest gain wins, and loser has to buy the winner prize we can agree on. Business can fail. Well, then you're a cuck business, man. You shouldn't be opening businesses. But yeah, bro, we can do it. We can look about it in the new year, decide where we want to do it and stuff. But again, Make it proper. We do like 50k or something. What TP are you aiming for in Euro Swiss, Jeff?
The S1.
Why do I talk myself out of setups, bro? Need help. Chess. So firstly, there's probably emotions in it.
Sorry, one more thing, Keeks.
Yeah.
Guys, on GU, we had another break of structures there, so I'm gonna actually move my stop loss to 1.26250. So we're gonna lock about 10 pips in. Price is almost at TP.
I was gonna say, why would you be moving if you're literally gonna hit TP like right now?
Nah, just in case the market makers wanna be, you know.
But yeah, bro, you probably just have emotions in your trading, so you need to just take your emotions out, have your strict trading plan, and how you approach your trades. Make it mechanical. That way you won't hesitate. If it meets your analysis, meet your plan, then you take the trade. Jeff calling the moves today. Yeah, I think there you go. TP hits on GU, guys.
Yep, TP hit, guys. Chad.
Man, trying to steal my gocha.
What's wrong with Billy? You do it.
Billy works for me, bro.
Yeah, you
Billy's
throw it
my goat.
first. There we go. TP hit, guys. TP hit. We closed that with a full 36 pip.
As you guys know, if me and Jeff both agree on a trade, that's gonna be a banger. What time is news? I don't know. What depends what news you're talking about. 50k is also GC, but then we're taking amazing gain possibility. Lol, yeah. W trade. If my daily bias on a pair is bullish, can I still short it on lower time frames? I personally wouldn't. You can. People do it, but I don't. EU going up. UJ going down. Oil looking for another leg up. W, guys. Where's the trumper, guys? I got stop loss at TP. What? How the hell did you get stop loss at TP?
Yes, see.
W huge. I missed this one. What's up, G's? How much did you make? That's irrelevant. TP, baby. TP on the last one for us here today. Is it good to have conversations like this? It opens... What? It's very good to have conversations like this. It opens your mind in so kind of ways. 100%. Trumpet, thanks, guys. But that is a beautiful TP, guys. The day I don't trade is obviously the day when the market moves. 100%. 39 likes away, guys. I moved my stop loss to TP and TP. I don't know why you would do that. Look at that golden cross. Thanks, guys. All right. But beautiful, beautiful trade, yeah, guys. I think that's around 1 to 5 risk. 6 pip and TP 30 Euro Swiss insane. So I can run the trade up a bit more. If you want to, bro. I always say don't give in to greed, but if you want to, go for it.
Yo, the moment, guys, the moment you feel like moving your stop or you take profit, you've given into greed. Then rather scratch that trade immediately.
Yeah.
Listen to the song I sent you last night.
No, I only saw it this morning, bro, when I looked at your message this morning.
Okay. Now when you have time, listen to the lyrics. I think
What the hell?
you'll enjoy it.
But alright, guys, so you got TP on this trade. You guys only have 37 more likes, guys, and we can do that account giveaway. Get those likes up, baby.
Are you wondering what that means? When I say house high, it's an elevated feeling that a lot of
Okay, let's donate to the chat. Let's donate to the chat.
Keeks, this is why to trade higher time frame candle wicks still forming on smaller time frames. I only trade higher time frames really. You guys can see I've really been moving back to my 15 minutes. So yeah. The toe jumped US30 too early. What's good in the hood, Chad? Love from India. Let's go. W. Come on, guys. Get those likes up. Let's do that giveaway for you guys. Show the Euro Swiss stop loss and TP. You guys saw all of it. Jeff, where's your entry? Because these oaks can't
Entry
remember.
Entry is at 0.95030. Stop loss is 0.95191. TP is 0.94437.
There we go. You guys saw it. Don1 said, don't worry to flip 100 to 1,000. Rather focus on the skill. Rather ask how you get the 100 to 101. Same thing you guys always preach. Love you, Oaks. I'm 18 with big dreams. See you in 6 years. Don't ask for a lift. A Lambo is a 2-seater. Again, Toad. You can have big dreams, bro. My only problem is we know how you trade. So you trade in ICT with obviously that Judas swing. You would have been out on this trade, bro. With your stop loss, you would have been out here. So, yeah. But keep going, brother. You can get there, my man. Not sure if after 6 years Lambo is still a big thing. You can write number, TP and stop loss Euro Swiss because I don't know English. So if you don't know English, how you type in English? And again, you don't have to again, you should put it up on the screen as well. So Jevin Keegs is the boss today. Watch gold 2040 to 2019. 2040, 2019. Wait, Chris looks good today. Come on, guys. 18 more likes. We can do the giveaway for you guys. More likes, guys. It would be great to have all three of you on at once. Yo.
Yeah, one day.
Man's trying to take 2 Gs to 3 Gs now. Okay. Yeah, guys. Another one. Yeah, just a message from the big man. Keep in mind, guys. So we will stream from next week. Chris is gonna be doing a 5-day bootcamp course with you guys. So you guys definitely don't want to miss that one. They'll still do your market analysis in the morning and all the good stuff. But because markets are definitely going to slow down a lot, he's going to be focusing on a 5-day bootcamp with you guys. So they are going to put timestamps and things like that. You need to come in, join to really watch and take it all in. For those of you guys that are trying to become new traders, full-time traders, really get the hang of things, this is something you guys don't want to miss. It is free, guys. It's not being charged. There's nothing there. Just tune in, drop a like. But from next week, Monday to Friday, Chris Markable will be doing a 5-day boot camp for you guys. All the things on how we break down the chart, how we analyze, what our entry criteria are, what our strategy is, everything. So you guys don't want to miss that one next week. All right, guys. So Monday to Friday, the morning sessions, Chris will do that 5-day boot camp with you guys. Let's see here, guys. Let's see. Any New York sessions? I don't think we're going to do it, bro, because obviously I'm not here. And Chris is going to be doing these long boot camps, so I don't think there's going to be New York sessions.
Keegan, interesting question.
Yeah.
Say for instance, okay, so I told you the feeling like I get sometimes when I'm walking in the mall, people from the stream walks up to us and they're like, oh, I see you from the streams. So let's say in position like that one day, let's say you're walking with Kate, someone walks up like, oh, Keegan, I watch you and so forth. He's like, I just want to ask you one thing. If you could give me one piece of advice, what would it be to become successful? And this is for the chat as well. What's the one piece of advice you would give to anyone? And this is, I'm asking myself as well.
Consistency.
Okay.
So, key to everything. I think that was perfect. Focus on the skill and not the jump. The problem people see with trading is they think of trading as a get-rich-fast scheme, where the truth about trading is to get rich slow scheme. That's where people go wrong. You want to focus on the skill. You want to focus on the understanding. Take the time. Grow the account. Don't give into greediness. Grow the skill. Grow yourself as a trader. And before you notice it, you'll be making the big money. You'll be bringing in the big money. And again, everyone wants to be like, they want millions, they want hundreds of thousands, all this stuff. But what about just if I told you now, you made 1,000 rand every day? Every day at the end of a month, that's 30,000. But people want the 30,000 in one trade, and that's the problem. So rather rock up, be genuine, have the consistency every single day, and you'll get there before you know it.
That's well said. It's well said.
What strategy you trade in? Key levels, psychological levels, breakouts, and retests. 30 more likes and Santa Claus will show up. After the bootcamp announcement, please blow the horn because people's financial mindsets will go to the next level. It's now 3 times that I blow phase 1 on my funded account and failed phase 2 every time. What are you doing, bro? Why are you failing? Are you reaching daily drawdown, max drawdown, or you just blow, like what's happening? Are you blowing equity? What are you doing? Okay, how long have you been in trade community, and after what amount of years, months did you decide to go full time? So if you want to everything in total, 4 years, but then I really put my head down for about 2 years. So after about 2 years of really put my head down, I went full time. Come on guys, just a few more likes. 100% Keeks. I once heard an experienced trader advise that you have to learn to lose because you go to suffer losses and it may demotivate you. Yeah. One thing in that whole thing of also like you got to learn and you got to like to lose, if that makes sense. Because the losing is where you learn and the learning is what's going to make you better.
That video, I think Devin made it, where Chris left the screen and
Yeah.
he hit stop loss. I actually told this to one of my clients the other day. I was like, look how you guys would react when you need to stop. You guys would literally laugh about it instead of like being depressed. Like literally, that's how you should treat your losses. Like if you're gonna let 10 pips, 20 pips get you down, you know, then don't trade.
Yeah, 100%. I told you, if a guy can't afford, and that's what the problem is, because it's all get rich fasting. If you can't afford to take the loss, you shouldn't be trading in the first place. Sorry, I won phase 1 and phase 2 failed. Okay, but why did you fail phase 2? That's still the same question. Are you in any trade now? The Jebs in Euro Swiss. If you make 1,000 Rand every day, over time, build your account, you can make 50k every day. Exactly. Consistency is key. How do you identify and decide? Decide on your bias in the direction of the market? New here, thank you. From PH. So I basically get my bias, obviously with a mix of fundamentals, but look on the higher time frame, so the weekly and the daily. Then you can start seeing market structure. Phase 2, most trades are psychologically tripped. That must be your RM approach. Yeah, we spoke about that in the podcast last week, where I said to you guys, a lot of guys fail phase 2, which is the easiest. When you get phase 1 in done, like that's it. Like this should be a guaranteed live account after that. If you fail in phase 2, it's because of your psychology.
Sorry, quick geeks. Okay, guys, we're up about 15 pips on Euro Swiss franc. So let's just trail our stop loss. Okay, please share my screen. Just want to show them. Okay, so I'm gonna put my stop literally slightly above. It's okay. That is so 8 pips, 8.1. So literally, I'm gonna trail my stop from 16 pips to 8 pips, just to minimize that risk.
All right, and Eddie, just go back, bro. People did ask him to explain it. He did explain the trade, why he took it. So just go back and you will see why he took the trade. Don't bring emotion into trading. Have a strict trading plan with clarity. 100%. One thing about that is, me and a mate always said, like, it's hard, but if you really want to actually develop your emotional side of trading, teach yourself to not celebrate the wins. It sounds weird, and it's hard, but teach yourself to not celebrate the wins. Again, I'm not saying don't do it like we just celebrate now. You will get there where you can celebrate again. But if you can take the emotion out of winning, it's easier to take the emotion out of losing. I mentioned consistency yesterday. The bull also said being consistent ain't easy. It needs a lot of discipline. Yeah. Those say, guys, it's not easy, but you got to do it. Which fund is best, TFT or FTMO? They're both great, bro, but FTMO is the GOAT.
Yo, Euro Swiss franc is. We're ending off with a bang today.
I have to ask, why is there only 163 likes but 245 watching? Can't the guys show some love? I also think so, but to be fair, bro, you need to just refresh your thing. We are at 191 likes, so just 9 more likes, guys, and we can be doing that giveaway for you guys. Please repeat the winning and losing your powerful key areas. Yeah, bro, it's like I say, it's these little things that will really change the game for you. Hey Keeks, what do you guys call the setup on which you've entered GU on the M5 just now? Is the confirmation tick box on Discord maybe? It is, bro. So firstly, for myself, it wasn't this over here. Is our 4-hour support zone. So you can just see on the 4-hour, this was a key level. So you can see in the past how we had the break, the retest. We held the support multiple times. Then we had the breakaway. So you can see that over there. We never had it tested. Obviously, when we came for the test, it failed straight away for resistance. But once we broke above, it held as support. So that is that zone over here we're looking at. So all that happened was on the 15, we came in, coming in, giving this doji candle, showing us that buyers want to come into the market. This 15 over here closed. As we said, this would have been where I would have entered the trade only. But yeah, that 15 closing bullish, showing us that the buyers are coming in off the zone and we're holding a support. So again, this is where I would have entered the trade. But Jev on the 5-minute, this would have been interesting as well. You had the break of structure turning around, holding a support, the break. So this candle, yeah, you would have already actually wanted to enter. But just for reassurance, because this one had no top wick, I wanted to see the minute it turned, we would have entered, but this thing went straight down. Jev was a bit ballsy. I don't know what his confirmation is, why he entered on over there, but he entered there. Maybe he can explain what his confirmation was. But yeah, they want to trade it up again. You would have then closed, because now you had a break of structure. For me, on my side again, the break of structure and confirmation, 5 minute, you would have entered there. That's where that 15 is. So I just would have got in the trade there. Jev got in there. Jev, what was your entry that you entered off that massive bearish engulfian?
Okay, let me quickly show them. So GU, pretty simple why I took this trade. Looking at the 4 hour. So initially we would see that. So obviously after last night we had a massive candle. Now this flipped price bullish. This is a perfect change of character over here. Meaning these lows were weak, but now with this said, we'll see when GU gets to this level over here, because here's the next supply zone. We could see price push up even more. Yeah, I wish I could go back in time and say put second TP. But yeah, so then for the 15 minute, basically 4 hour change of character, then we had a small little break of structure on the 15 minute chart during Asian session. That was at the Asian lows, demand zone, and I didn't want to take it there. But because it almost lined up with Keegan, it kind of gave, I wanted to go there, but as you can see at the pivot down you have another demand zone. So I actually wanted to see something like this happen. But when Keegan said he backs it, and I wanted to back it here, then I was like, okay, if he backs it, then I'm gonna take it. So then on the 3 minute chart, basically, I was looking at trend. So as you can see, price came down in the downtrend. Here we had a change of character. Price then basically moved all the way up, and only, let me go on the 1 minute so you guys can see better. So basically from there, change of character, this was the low which price hit over here, and this is basically where price formed that high, where price started pulling back into the zone. So then from there, from the fib, from the high to the low, OTE 705, that was my entry right over there. So with the stop loss with 1 pip below the low of the day, basically, or the low of the session. So yeah, pretty simple.
Yeah. So yeah, both seeing the thing, and obviously once we call in it, Jeff getting a lot more confident with it to take that little bit of a risky trade in drawdown, but he got it. I mean, we all know Jeff likes his falling knives, so we have that one there. But it was a beautiful trade, as you said. If you know both of us are looking at the same trade, it's going to be a banger.
Yeah.
We hit 200 likes, baby. Oh, there we go. Looks like we can do that giveaway, Chad. GBP will go down at interest rate decision later. I do agree as well. 50% profit target on phase 1, going strong. That's awesome, bro. Again, I don't know how you are still in that trade. Looking at the fact you trade ICT, your stop loss would have been hit, but whatever that is. Apparently, I don't know much about that, but alright. Like DSY yesterday, giveaway. Trading is a business. Slow to start, hard to master, so systematic. Might as well implement your own bot. Oh yeah, okay, horror. I feel like you focus on doing good work and money will come running. So then why are you in trading if you just want to do good work? Yeah, the original demand zone has had inducement, then pushed higher. Yeah. As I said, I don't know much about it, but what I do know, you would have had your stop loss hit. But alright guys, we're going to get a piece of paper. We are going to do a number here for you guys.
Okay guys, I don't like what Euro Swiss franc is doing, so we might have to eventually move our stop to break even. But let's give it not 8 minutes, about 12 minutes. Then we'll move stop to entry point. So hopefully we have the break of structure to the downside to confirm. Then we can definitely move stop without any hesitation. You're welcome, Coach Carter. What I think of GBP, JPY, yo, I haven't looked at that in weeks. What is GJ doing? Ooh, interesting on GJ. Okay, looking at GU, overall trend is bullish on the long term. But seeing that we didn't take out yesterday's, okay, we swept yesterday's low, but there was no perfect break of structure. So seeing that, we could actually see GU go up. I mean GJ go up, follow in line with with GU, but then we could have some sort of this is also why I haven't got GU. I'll be honest with
guys,
you.
I wasn't. Yeah, I'll put the screen on now for you guys.
But yeah, guys, from my side, I'll be honest. I don't know what GJ is doing. But let's do top down. Let's do top down. Monday was over here. Yes, Monday's open. So this is the weekly open. Price is trading below it. As you can see, price rejected. Internal structure on the 15-minute.
Trevor, I missed great GU entry from Jay. You mean Jeff?
Yeah, I think he means me. But yeah, I'll be honest with you guys. I can't say it's gonna happen. I don't like it when a pair looks like this. It confuses me. I can't say whether it can easily go up. It could easily flush through it. So I will just stay away until I have a more clear reaction. So for instance, on GJ, I would have to wait for price to trade back towards these lows, this demand zone here, more or less. So somewhere over there, I would have to see price trade into, or something over here. So I'm not touching GJ until I see price react at one of these two zones. So that's, yeah, sorry about that.
Okay, well, let's get back to stuff now, you guys. Alright. Sometimes that people give back to the education for I did see someone. Wait, where was that now? How can I join the boot camp? It is for free. It's just next week, Monday to Friday, same time as this stream from Hoppers 9. So just join here, be a Hoppers 9. Base probably gonna be Hoppers 9 to like Hoppers 12 every day, Monday to Friday for free. Just be a B square and have your notepad ready. Giveaway time, shorts on Nas. We're not gonna look at that now. How do you calculate the correct lot size for an account? Just get a FX calculator, bro. Then you can figure that one out. We still on key screen. Yes, I wasn't here, guys. I have to control everything. When the number comes out, I hope everyone's comment section gets frozen and only mine works. Giveaway. Okay, guys, we have got slow mode on. The range. Okay, guys, before I'm going to put this here, don't start typing. When I type start, only numbers after that are going to count. All right. So if I didn't put anything out before that, if I didn't say start, your number's not going to count. All right. The range is between 500 to 600. That's the range. All right. Dax Dine, what do you think? We'll go through all that later, guys. GJ needs an inducement to move. Okay, we're gonna go through stuff later. Neil not allowed. Okay, MSF. Guys, I never said start. Oh dear Lord Jesus. I don't know how much more clearer I need to say this. I literally said if I don't say start, the numbers aren't gonna count.
Oh my word.
Am I not talking English? It's fine. You're still gonna lose. I don't care about this one then. Alright. Let's get a Lacachunia for us. And then we are going to do it, guys. Alright. We're gonna get a Lacachunia. And then we can get this giveaway going. Alrighty. Okay. People eagle all them sacks. Start hasn't even given yet, people. Yeah, I don't speak Japanese. Now you understand why the teachers tripped. Yeah, bro. Flipping hell. What do you do? You're gonna be able to reply for 20 seconds. Be smart. Yeah, no, that's the thing. These people. All right. Are you guys ready?
See you then.
Okay. I didn't say it, guys. I didn't say.
Yo.
Remember, guys, range is between 500 to 600. Let's get it, baby.
Someone won. Someone took it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That was a quick one.
Oh, Franco, you got it, my brother. I have no clue how you got that so quickly. But Franco Munich, you are our winner, baby. 586.
Congratulations.
Munich.
Congratulations, my man.
You are our winner today, baby. Yes, sis. That was quick.
Nah, that man was tapped in, bro. He was meditating.
He was ready for that one. I just want to see that any of those guys actually get it that typed it earlier. No, they didn't.
Nah, no one did.
But Franco Munich, you got it, my man. I hope you are excited. You got a $5,000 vault funded account coming your way, brother. Do yourself a message. Just send myself or Chris a message on IG. Just try to do it now. So long. Just let me know. Send a message, in the chat. Just telling me that you have done it, and then we will get that account to you as soon as possible, brother. Yes, boyki. So yeah, Franco, just message myself or Chris now on IG. Just send a message now on Insta saying done, just so I know it is you. And we will then be sending you that account, brother. On my way. But congrats, guys. Franco, our last winner. A nice $5,000 vault funded account to get the man going here in December. Nice little present to put there under the Christmas tree. But let's get it, baby. The chat absolutely killing it today. I was being cheeky and put a few numbers in one line.
Oh yeah, I see Rydell's also here.
Is Rydell here?
Yeah, away Rydell, away. Nice to have you here, my man.
Where is he?
I see you said congrats.
Am I not seeing this?
But
Oh,
no,
there.
yeah.
Oh, there's Rydell, the man. Oh, Dan. All right, let me just check, bro. I just want to make sure. Did you message me or Chris? Let's just see here quickly. All right, Munich. I'll send you. We're gonna chat later, brother. We will just chat about everything and what you're going to need to do on your side for us. Just let me know if you have a Vault Funder account. Otherwise, just go to the Vault Funder page, create an account. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to do anything. Just create an account, and we will get that sent to you very, very shortly. All right. But again, congrats, my brother. I got your message. So, yeah, as I said, just go create that account, and we will then get that over to you. They're your nice little $5,000 Vault Funder account just to start it all off with, all right? So enjoy that, my brother. Congrats once again. And let's start this off, guys. I mean, 2 banger trades today so
just
far.
quickly want to answer this one guy who asked,
what's up?
can I look at GBP odd you in a sell? Usually someone says that then they trapped. Guy, get out of that trade. You can see it's pushing up, so rather get out of it. Close it and wait for the next position. And Rian, Euro Swiss franc, let it run. Let's see what happens.
Oh, Crypto Master, Chris Dollar, he is coming in a little later, guys. He had some meetings he had to go attend, so he's only going to be here. You are stuck with myself and Jev here. I don't think you guys should be complaining. You guys are getting some accounts. You guys have literally got 2 banger trades today with a massive TP. Not too much to complain about. You keys, okay, perfect, yeah, bro. Always think about how do you guys choose the number, or is it very random? Yeah, bro, we literally choose a number. Like, we take turns. So, like, I choose a number, Jeff chooses a number, then Chris will choose one, then Mo chooses one, then Kate chooses one, and we always decide choose any random number, then we just choose what the range is. So nothing too serious. Morning, gents. I hope you guys are well. Same to you, brother. Doing the work of the people. Ronaldo, you took Marco in the cleaners. Good job. Compliments of the season. Same to you, bro. Hope it is a good one. Very excited to have you on the pod with us next year. Very excited to meet you, my man. I see the mods are not 20 seconds in delay, just like last week. Sorry, but you have to check. Yeah, but end of the day, he was the first one to got it, and he's not a mod. Marku is not a mod. So when I said start, end of the day, they still didn't get it first. No mod got it first. The first guy that got it was Marku. He literally was the 4th person. So there was no mod that got it before him anyway. So don't have to check that. Innocent G, Jay, you think US Swiss is coming back?
Now let's like I said to him now, let's let it run, you know. If it
so
goes
close.
to entry, it goes to entry.
What is this? Hey, Redak, what are you doing, my man? Hey, look at you, my man. You are so close, bro. Don't do something stupid. But you are nearly there, brother. Stoked for you, my man. Wait, what? No one. No, someone did one, bro. Toad, I don't know where you are coming from, but I don't know what you're smoking. Can you do GBD? Alright, so I'm gonna wait. New York session. The GU trade was bought this morning. Thank you, bye. See you later. What are your everyday pairs to trade? For myself, it's DXY, Gold, UJ, EU, EJ, GU, GJ, NAS, and US30. I mean today, for the future, I mean Keeks. Okay, yeah, we will definitely see how we can fix that and stuff. But yeah, we'll do that for the future. Please take a look at Euro AUD, please. Nothing much to look at that one, bro. Don't worry, I'm disciplined. Awesome, bro. I love to hear that. But let's get Jeff. I'm just gonna put on your screen quickly, bro. I need plus.
All good.
Yes. This water is going through my body today. What was the winning number? I was off screen. The winning number was 586.
Bro, I told you that GBP or USD. Bro, close your loss. You can't keep on holding on to a trade that's not seeing profit. Now you're fixing yourself into a belief. You attach that trade. Remember, I always say attachment is the root of all suffering. Cut the trade. Wait for the next position. The market's here all day. UK 100 popped. You have entries around 75, 80. Now it's great, man. It's great. Glad to see you guys are catching these trades, smacking the market. Let's wait and see what Euro Swiss franc wants to do. What I like about it is why I have confidence in it. Euro odd. Notice this here. Very similar. If we took it, price would have ran. Retracement. So very similar here. Always be open for retracement. And also I don't really trade the space, so yeah, we'll see how it plays out. Hutam Patil GBP or that trade you are in, close it. What's gonna change? If I tell you it's gonna go up, what then? It's gonna go up. So if you're in a sell, close it. If you're in a buy, also close it, because it could easily flash as well. But alternatively, if you wanna listen to me, hold the trade and see how it plays out. That's for you for data collection. Part of your experience, part of your learning journey.
I'm just gonna. This is Nolan. Thank you guys. Now I can trade with my own people.
Okay, guys.
How does that mean?
Let's give Euro shift. Let's give it a few more seconds. 40 more seconds, and we'll see if we close it. Currently back at break even.
Bro, my girlfriend took my car to the shops and hit the curb. I'm so pissed. Bro, first question. Why the hell you letting your girlfriend drive? Jeff, what's your thoughts on BlackRock? Oh, yeah, there we go now again.
In Think We Trust. That's all I'll say. Go Google In Think We Trust.
Jeff, do you manually map out Asia highs and lows as well as your weekly zones?
Yeah, I draw out everything manually except for my pivots and it's the only thing I don't draw is my pivots. I draw everything else manually. Okay, guys, go break even on Euro Swiss franc. Go break even, break even, break even.
Euro AUD, please. Bro, we don't look at that pair. What part about that don't you understand? I'm sure it's going bearish because Euro just is quite weak at the moment. Keys, where can we get a device that will show what my wife is thinking? Bro, if I knew the answer to that, I would have one as well. So when you find out the answer, you let me know as well. What do you think of UJ? UJ is not doing anything, bro. It's just consolidating right now. Okay, come on. Ah, it's literally just been consolidating, bro. But let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look like, I think, for this session, guys, we're not going to get anything. G was the only thing on the tables this morning.
I'll try and force you guys one more trade. I'm joking. Can't force anything.
Do you have a membership class ongoing? I don't, Jeff does.
Yeah, and we have 50% off currently. No, sorry, 70% off, not 50%, 70% off. And it's a once-off payment, no hidden fees, no renewals. Once you are with me, you're with me for life.
I would say, I do not have patience for that. I love you guys, but I'm not going to sit here going over something with you guys 1,000 times. Hi guys, US Swiss pairs flipped. What do you think? Jay, what do you think? You're in the trade, aren't you?
Yeah, we closed break even.
Ah.
We would have been in profit now because price rejected, but I don't. If I'm in profit, I don't want to see price come back to my entry. So yeah, would have wanted to see another banger like on GU, but I am looking at GBP Swiss franc, which also looks very very interesting. Currently, the only thing with that is, yeah, we have to see a very big displacement in order to look for sells on this. So we'll need to see it move at least 33 pips before we can actually look for sells on this. That's just for one of our checklist things to confirm. Then we still have to make sure that there is displacement, there's a fair value gap, it lines up with the OTE, all these things. But I'm looking at the other Swiss franc pairs, Euro Swiss franc, Swiss franc yen doesn't look nice either. Let me see what else we have. Sure, I'm tempted to give you guys another one, but no, let's not do that.
Alright. Like you guys personally using, wait, what? What account size do you guys have on Vault Funder, and what payout options are available? So immediate wire payment and 1 mil. Screen, Jev. What do I need your screen for?
You actually can share my screen with him. I am looking at something, yeah. I might potentially throw a third bullet on.
Also, they want your screen, like, it's not like you said you do anything.
Maybe that guy might be behind.
What about Swiss JPY? Don't look at it.
Nah, Swiss yen looking ugly. However, Odd Chef is looking nice.
Wait, what? The Chad or Keegs and Jev car culture. And what's the default leverage? Yo, bro, I can't remember right now. GBADA, I'm in sales. Can I hold the position? Haven't you answered this guy like 5 times?
Yeah, he must blow his account and learn his lesson on his own. Maybe next time he'll listen to someone and give him advice.
Any bro, I'm interested. What's the percentage for the phase? 10% for phase 1, 5% phase 2. How did you become familiar with GU and Euro Swiss movement? Do you stay current with news or just trade it for long? You found patterns. So I've just had lots and lots of charts on with GU. So that's me. I don't trade Euro Swiss, but what about you, Jeff?
From my side as well, it's purely experience patterns. GU has become a favorite recently. The price action is very clean on it. In the end, yes, we look at news, but the way I also understand that market makers use news as an excuse to drive price. So usually my technicals will fall in line with my fundamentals. Same as last night on EU. Remember yesterday we looked at EU buys. We took a 1.5 pip stop, and then look what happened. Last night FOMC price ran up, so that already there. I was just following my method, and price correlated. And similar thing, how I missed it, had a buy limit, the demand zone price didn't spike like it usually does. So in the end, it's just practice.
Yeah, did MetaQuest kick drop some of the unregulated firms in SA yet, or just in the States? I think just in the States for now. Hey guys, I'm funded now by TFT. Thanks for your experience. 100% bro, best of luck. How do you get into Jev's class? Just message the guy.
Yeah, Jean, I'll drop you my handle, my Instagram handle in the chat, and then you can just message me on Instagram, and then I'll send you the details. If you'd like, we can hop on a call. I can answer all your questions and so forth. So at Instagram at JevanFaro.
And the trading days, the website, you got no info. Hey, bro, it is all on the info on the page. Literally right there. Comparison. Trading period, minimum days, leverage, profits. Like there's everything right there, bro. Like everything's there that you're asking me. There's the targets, there's leverage, trading days, trading period. If you do anything, they're all there. So I don't know where you're looking, bro. What about sales on GU, bro? We just bought it. Why the hell are we gonna sell it now? On Facebook or Instagram, I clicked the link in bio. Yeah, bro, it takes you here. The link in the bio takes you to this page. You just have to scroll down. May 7% on your GU trade. Much appreciated for the first visit to the stream. Awesome, bro. Hope to see you back again. YouTube. Alright. No, it doesn't. Okay, I'll check it out, but I'm pretty sure it does. Jeff, click on the link in the bio there. Where does it take you?
Which link exactly?
The Vault Funder.
Vault Funder. Okay. It takes me to a sign up page.
Yeah, the sign up page. So it's just taking you to this page. So if you don't have details, it's taking you to the sign up.
So red. So lekker.
So you would just go challenges, or where would be home here?
Oh my word. Where is it?
But yeah, you just gotta go to challenges then, bro, and that would take you there. So it's just taking you to sign up. So the fact if you don't have a page, that's all it's doing. It's taking you to the registration page. So once you register, you'll come into this, the normal home page, or otherwise even on the registration page, you can just click home and it will bring you to this page.
Oh, if only we yelled, Swiss franc.
But yo guys, I think, Jave, you're not in a trade, eh?
Oh no, I was looking at odd Swiss franc, but the timing, I don't think the timing is accommodated.
Clinton link sus. Bro, we just did it. We just did it on Jave's terminal. We just clicked the link there. It took him to that page. That's the registration page, assuming that you don't have an account with us. That's why you need to
Yeah, you're
first
gonna
go
have
there.
to open an account first and then
Once you
purchase in
open the account, again, not have to buy anything. You just opening an account.
Yeah.
Then you can go to the home page. And again, I don't even think you have to open an account. You can just click on the open, but it's just taking you to the registration page. So wait, Keeks, if I make 10k on the fund account, I keep 80% of that. Yes. So if you make 10k, you keep 8,000, and the prop firm takes 2,000. Okay, I understand. Yeah, that's good as fuck. Nah, bro. Remember, you're the one with the skill. The money can be put in there. The money doesn't mean anything. You're the one with the skill that has to make the money. So that's why you get the bigger cut. But alright, guys, we are gonna call it there. It's been quite an adventurous one today. 2 beautiful trades. A good way to end off the last one for us, and then a nice giveaway to Marco. It was Marco, eh? Yeah, I think so.
I think it's Franco.
Franco. A nice giveaway there, but we have to finish up a few things there before we go off to our end of year function. So we're gonna call it there, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys had another one. 2.8% up on demo account for 2 trades. Yeah, enjoy your holiday, Keeks. Really appreciate it, bro. Thank you for the amazing stream, and thank you for the giveaway. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday and a beautiful new year. Same to you, Redax. Enjoy it, my brother. But you know, guys, we are wishing you all the best. Enjoy it. Be safe. Spend the time with your family and loved ones. Have a Merry Christmas. Enjoy the holidays. Don't get too bubbleless. At least enjoy it. Be safe. Don't do anything stupid or what I wouldn't do. Cody and Keeks, nice one. Kicked off, gents. Enjoy the function. Thanks, guys. But otherwise, wish you guys all the best, and we will see you guys in the new year. Anything from you, Jeff?
Awesome, guys. Yeah, like Keegan said, enjoy your weekend. Is Chris streaming tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay, I'll still be here with Chris, you guys. So I'm still gonna be here until the 20th. Other than that, enjoy your day. Don't do anything dumb. Trade safe, trade strong. And for those of you guys who don't know, like I said, once again, 70% of our mentorship. Start your next year off right. Have a program that can actually guide you. Have someone that can hold you accountable. So yeah, hit me up on IG. That's it from my side and Keeks. Looking forward to see you guys again. Catch some banger trades.
All right. Peace and love, baby. See you in the new year.
I'm coming home now, real soon. You've been gone. Coming home, baby, now. You don't know what I'm going through. I'm coming home, I know I'm overdue. Since you went away. Any day now, real soon. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Come on home,
Coming home, baby, now.
you know I'm praying every night.
And everything is gonna be fine.
Please come home,
Coming home, baby, now.
I want to feel you hold me tight.
Expect to see me now anytime.
When